Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can potentially go viral on Pinterest and how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing totally free. So this is what you need to do. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to create your Pinterest profile or Pinterest page. And in that profile, you need to add actually description, and that description should include your main keywords, okay? And also make that description nice because people actually read that. Also, what you need to do, you need to add a description for your boards. For example, something like this. Here you can see this is a short description of this board, but also includes a main keyword. As you can see here, make money online. Next thing you need to do, you actually need to start repinning other people's pins, because every time you repin someone's pin, they will see that in the notification and they will check out your profile, and if they like it, they will start following you. Next thing you need to do, you need to actually make a pin. So what you can do is you can simply go here on Canva, and then here you need to search for Pinterest, okay? Pinterest. And here you can see Pinterest pin. Click here and then choose blank because we wish to create our pin from scratch, okay? So next thing you need to do, you actually need to create those pins. You need to create a text. You need to give a value to your pins. So what you can do is you can simply go here on ChatGPT. And because let's just say that my page is in dog niche. So what you can do is you can simply say something like this. Give me 5 healthy dog food recipes. And ChatGPT will do exactly that. Here you can see these are all short and healthy dog food recipes. So what you need to do, you need to simply go here on Pinterest, and then here I need to add an image of a dog. Now if you cannot find images here on Canva, you can simply go on Pexels, Pexabay or Unsplash and find royalty-free photos and images here on these websites. Those images must be royalty-free, that is important. And like I said, when you go back here, let's just say, for example, I will search for dog, okay, and press enter, and I will go here on photos, and I can use one of these photos. For example, let's just say this photo here. I will actually make this fit on my template, something like this, okay. Here you can see this is a cute puppy, and I will change the color of the background, something like this, and I will actually use a text. So let's just say, for example, I will find, let's just say, for example, this one here, and I'm going to delete this because I don't need that. And also here I need to say something like this, okay. So let me just make this fit, and I'm actually going to move that here, and I'm going to make this to be center, okay, something like this. And I will actually go make this to be larger, something like this, okay, something like this, and I'm going to move that here, something like this. You will make this better, okay? I'm just doing this to show you how to do this. Now I need to create another pin, so I will actually click here on add page, and then here I will actually find another dog photo. So let me just, for example, this one here, and I'm going to make this fit, something like this, okay, something like this. And then I will go back here on ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy this recipe here, okay, Control C, and I will go back here. And again, I'm going to click here on this T for text, and I will use this text style. And I'm going to delete this because I don't need that. And also, I'm going to replace this with this recipe, okay? And I'm going to make this smaller, something like, for example, 32. And I'm going to make this to be wider, like this, to make it fit on my template, okay? And I can actually change the color of this text to make it more visible. So for example, let's just say I will try with white color to see is it more visible. Actually, it is not more visible. So I will change this color. Let's just say, for example, to be, let's just say blue, for example. And here you can see how this looks. Like I said, you will make this better. I'm doing this just to show you how this works. And what I need to do next, I need to add another page, and I need to go back here on ChatGPT, and I need to copy this recipe also, okay, this second recipe, Control C, go back here, and again I will actually use another image. So for example, let's just say this one here, and I'm going to make it fit on my template, something like this. And again, go here on text style, something like this. I will delete this because I don't need that. And here I will add my recipe, and I will actually make this smaller, much smaller. So I will just highlight this, okay, and I will make this 32, okay, 32. And I will make this to be wider, something like this, okay, to make it fit on my template. Here you can see how this actually looks. And like I said, You don't have to use these images. You can find better images, and you can use different text style, and you can also use different color of the text style, okay? And what you need to do, you need to create pins for all of these 5 recipes. Now, the reason why we created 5 pins is because we actually wish to create a carousel, a Pinterest carousel. Why? Now, this is important, so pay close attention. Engagement on all the social media out there on internet. Engagement is most important thing, because all the social media out there, they wish to make people stay on their website as long as possible. And that is why engagement is most important. Likes, shares, comments, swiping images on carousels, and so on and so on. That is why that is really important, because that is all engagement. It always keeps people on those websites, and that is why all the social media love engagement. So what you need to do after you created all 6 pins, like I said, you need to create 6 pins, because here we created an intro pin, and here we created a 5 recipe pins. Also, you need to add a call to action. You can say something like, for example, I will add another text style. So you can say something like, for example, I can say something like, for example, something like this. Okay, so let me just, okay, click here to see more recipes. And I'm going to make this to be wider, something like this, and a bit smaller, okay? But I will leave it bold, because I wish to make this to be as visible as possible. And I'm actually going to move that here, okay? Or actually here. And like I said, you can change the text color. Now, after you create all 6 pins, what you need to do, you need to click here on share, and then you need to click here on download, and then click here on download PNG, okay? And it will download these images on your desktop, these pins on your desktop. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to go here on Pinterest, and you need to upload that Pinterest pin, you need to upload those images on Pinterest as a carousel. Because like I said, Pinterest like carousels, Pinterest is pushing carousels because carousels make people stay longer on Pinterest, and also carousels make people engage more easier. And that is why Pinterest is pushing carousels. And if you create a good carousel that actually makes people click to see another image, another slide in your carousel, then Pinterest will like you. Pinterest will push your pin, will push your carousel, and you can potentially get lots of free traffic from Pinterest. So what you need to do, you need to click here, and you need to upload these images. These are the images, and I'm going to upload all of these images. Click here on open, and as you can see, it uploaded all 3 images. Like I said, you should create 4, 5, 6 images. The more images you create, the better, because you will keep people longer on Pinterest, and they will engage, and Pinterest will love you, okay? And here you can see, this is my first pin, okay? Click here, create a pin, and when you go here, when I click here you can see my pins, and this is my first pin. This is the pin that people will see. This is basically my cover image. And here you need to optimize your pin. You need to include your keywords in the title, in the description, and also here in the link. Your link should contain your main keyword, and that will actually, and also you need to add it in right board. And if that board actually includes your main keyword, then Pinterest will say, okay, this pin, this carousel is definitely about dogs, okay? And if people engage with that carousel, then Pinterest will push your carousel, and you will start getting lots of free traffic from Pinterest. And this is how you make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Like I said, you will need to invest some time and some work in order to learn how to make these carousels to be as best as possible. But you will learn that if you stay committed, and also you will make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.